Welcome to the Cloud Content Services video. In this video, we will learn how Doxis4 can integrate customer management and team collaboration, from initial video conferencing through automatic filing, automatic and intelligent transcription, external collaboration, all the way through to internal and external user rights management. We start with a typical video conference call. MS Teams has recorded the video conference and will now be automatically saved into the system. This means if we wait a moment or two and then go into OneDrive, we can see that the recording has been saved here. And now we'll switch over to Teams, and here we can open the corresponding project folder that resides in Doxis4. Here we simply file the video conference video in the appropriate folder within the project via drag and drop. In the background, the video file is being transcribed by Amazon Cloud Services. This takes about 9 minutes, roughly the same length of the video file itself, so let's jump ahead a little. After this process has finished, we can see here in the Project Meetings folder that we have two protocol documents. Utilizing Doxis4 cognitive services, these documents have been automatically sorted and filed in their corresponding folder. The first one is a simple transcription provided by the Amazon service as a text document. And here we have a summary document that has been generated by Doxis4, where the content has been transcribed in note form. Now we can share this in SharePoint and give access to this content to our external collaborator. In this case, Grady Archie. And now we'll submit and save all of this. Now the document has been made accessible in SharePoint. Now if we go and take a look in our posts, we can see that our meeting summary has been linked, and we can see a notification confirming that a document has been shared with Grady Archie and that he can now work with this content. And if we now click on this link, the document will be opened in Word. Grady can now add some clarifications. For example, here he can make a note that, additionally, we agreed on all points. And then he can go ahead and save this. Upon returning to SharePoint, we can now see that we have the option to check this back into Doxis4. We will go ahead and perform the check-in and are presented with this dialog. Here we can confirm that we want to publish a new version and that we want to delete the transient version, and then check this all back into Doxis4. Now, back in Microsoft Teams, we can see a notification in the posts that a new version has been created. If we open this, we can see this new version of the document, including the note added by our external colleague. All of the content resides in the structured Doxis4 repository and is at our disposal, for example in a record folder. The logging and versioning of the content is determined by which actions have been performed and which document is the current one. Everything is subject to the Doxis4 rights management system, where access rights can be applied at a very granular level. As well as these standard access rights, we also have additional rights management functions to, for example, allow external access to this content. For example, here, we're giving Grady Archie search, read, and write access.